You can see here there are little paw prints all over this area, leading all the way up to the roof. Those are raccoon paw prints. You can tell by the 4 fingers and the thumb. Turns out, raccoons were entering the home through the chimney. You can see the paw prints and soot all over the base of the chimney. If you look closely, you can see some raccoon hair. Now, since the homeowner mentioned that she spotted more than 1 raccoon on the roof, we're going to need a unique setup. So what we did here was mark the area with tape. This helps us monitor the raccoon activity. Coming or going, that tape will break off and we'll know there's activity on it. We're going to continue replacing the tape until it is no longer broken. We do have devices that'll slide right into the chimney flute, but as soon as 1 raccoon is caught, the other raccoons are going to get trap shy and won't enter that trap. So we generously baited both of these traps to entice the raccoons to enter. Once all the raccoons are safely caught, we're going to relocate them to a new humane location and then cover the area with a chimney cap that'll prevent future break-ins from nuisance wildlife.